Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rearrange apps on the home screen of your Xiaomi TV Box 3S. To rearrange applications on your home screen, you just have to select the application that you want to move and hold the OK button or the middle D-pad button on this application until you see this screen. Select move right here and then move it either to the right or to the left using the respective D-pad keys. And then once you placed it where you want it to be, just click OK and done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.